So please tell us about this sales lead generation software.
Business Mark is basically a digital marketing portal where we can search the client as per your whatever the required for your product as per your criteria and location and designation and other things, and you can offer them the product and services to them directly. Currently most of the people they are having complained that they do not get the response from email marketing or email promotions, but in fact problem is not with the email marketing. Problem is that how they are doing that email marketing. Currently people how they do the email marketing, they just buy the data in the market in 2 lakhs or 2 crore in 2000 rupees. All junk data, they do not know even key what are the target audience, and this 2 crore data belongs to whom, and they just buy a simple server at lower cost, and they do not know the quality of the server key, either it is spammed server or good server. They just keep on sending 2 lakh 5 lakh 10 lakh emails in one day, and without knowing the delivery stated or an open rate. Even the 10% of the delivery is there in the emailing server, but 10% delivered to whom? Either they are right target audience of the buyers, or that they just simply going the email to anyone. So to solve all these problems of the buyers or marketeers, we have come up with the businessmark.com, where we are having a big team of data mining team who just keep on searching the data and accumulating and verifying the contacts, and just keep on uploading on the businessmark.com. So just person no need to worry about the data, because if he want to the right and accurate and authentic target audience data, they will have to pay around 1 to 6 rupees per data, and which becomes very expensive, and that is the reason people never go for the that they are not interested to put huge money for the data. So they just buy the 2 lakh 2 crore data in 2000 rupees, and they just do the likes of the mailing, and they do not get the response. Ultimately they blame to the email marketing, that email marketing there is no response. But I am having around 20 years of experience in the email marketing, and if you are doing systematic email marketing, definitely it returns the result, and the cost also very low to maintain the email marketing compared to other source of marketing. So to do the good and result oriented email marketing, you need to focus only on two things. One, you should have the accurate and validated data. Second, you should use the right source of the email sending server. The server IP should not be blacklisted, so delivery rate you should get most maximum inbox delivery. So this to solve these two problems, we have come up with the businessmark.com, where you will get the authenticated and verified data. Only you have to just select the criteria. You can select by designation wise, region wise, or industry wise, or there is multiple other criteria also we have given. So once you enter the criteria and click the search button, the list of the contacts available in the software that will be listed, and you can just select that contact and just copy and paste your email matter. Just click the send button and forget the portal. Now portal's responsibility, this robotically it keeps on sending few mails, personalized email every minute, few emails, and at the end of the day you can just open the portal and you will get the result that how many emails read and received, and how many bounce email ID, and whatever the responses, buyer responses, directly it will come to your reply email ID. No intermediate person, that CC copy never go to anybody else. So it is basically whatever lead generated, it is one-to-one lead. So it is lead generation means only it is specially for you. It never gets shared with anybody else.
So how much effort has gone in?
For Business Mark, we are doing basically for last 1 year we are preparing this portals, and now just recently we have launched in the 2021 only, current year, and now there is 5 millions decision makers available of all the industries of all the location within pan India. So you can select the decision maker directly. You can approach directly to them rather than going via.